Hello and welcome back to Saber Outdoors. My name, of course, is Mark Alexander, your wonderful host. And today, well, usually I have my subject here on the table, but today it's actually in my chest pocket. So I was at Walmart the other day and I saw this. It's the craziest thing. This is a 10-pack of woolly boogers. Now, woolly boogers, for those who don't know, they're a really fuzzy, it kind of looks like a really fuzzy caterpillar, but it's a fly fishing lure, and I found this at Walmart. Now, fly fishing people, have mercy on me, please. Please, will you? I've never used a woolly booger. I've never done it. I always fish with poppers, and let me tell you, it's really fun. You've seen how much fun it is for me, for Luke, for others, where it's just like, and you just hear that noise and you know you got one. It's so fun. Let's open these up and see what they look like. So we're gonna peel this off, and there we are. We have 4 colors, it appears. We have pink, white, black, and green. Interesting. But the pack is really small, but there's 10 boogers in here. And the little pack fits neatly in my pocket, no problem. So I'm gonna take these, and you're gonna see for the very first time ever for me, I'm gonna see what a woolly booger will do, and I'm gonna see if this pack of woolly boogers, the Cortland Silver Stream 10-pack woolly booger fly box, we're gonna see if this will do any good. If it does, I'll tell you. If it doesn't, then I'll tell you that too, because I'm an honest, transparent person, and I'm honest with my people, and that's you. You are my people. So let us go and give them a try. All right, guys, we have made it to our pond. I've got my woolly booger tied on. Now, I'm gonna try and catch one on every color of woolly booger, but if one woolly booger happens to be like completely destroying them, I'm gonna catch fish, because that's kind of what I like doing. But we're starting off with black. I expect this will sink eventually, but at first, while it's still dry, I think it will float, which I would prefer. We're gonna get it out there and see if anything comes for it. We've got our Ear Saver 3000, because that's all I need to do is for this to take my ear off. Let's try her right against the shore. Hey, right against the shore is where it is. That's not a big one, but hey, this is not a, it's not a size competition. This is a fish competition. Now you, where's your mama? I'm coming for her. You tell her. All right, guys. So we caught one on black pretty quick. So I'm gonna see if I can catch another one on black before I switch over to green or white or some other color. Now I gotta be careful with this, because if I ain't paying attention, one will have it swallowed before I can know about it. And now it's wet enough that it sinks. So at this point, I'm paying attention to what my line is doing. I'm kind of using my line like a bobber. Come on, baby. Come on back for it. It's right there, staring you in the face. There he is. Oh, that's a bass. That's a nice bass too. Oh, baby. This is the kind we live for. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will take that all day, every day, in every way that he wants to give it. Yes, sir. Come on up here, baby. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Gone. That is gone. And that's not a bad bass. I mean, that's probably a pound or a little more. Maybe a pound and a quarter. Where's your mama at? You were fun, but I would like to see your mama, boy. Go on back. Whew. I think that's a good way to end black. So, guys, I'm going to switch to a different color. I'll be right back with you. All right, guys, we are back. We have the green woolly booger now. So let's see if we can replicate those results, because let me tell you, if this woolly booger fishing is going to end up catching me, you know, medium-sized bass and bluegill, I might have to do some more of this. Let's get our woolly booger fur enough out there. I think that's plenty far. Let's see if there's one. Oh, I saw a swirl. There's one thought about it. Ah, got him. Got him. He's a little one though, so I'm not gonna be super worried if I don't get him out. You try to die. You are a little bass. Look at this. Now, guys, if ever I wanted a little teeny tiny aquarium bass, right there he is. But we're gonna let him go because we ain't got no aquarium today. Man, talk about where's your mama? I caught his mama earlier on the black one of these. Well, guys, that's green one down. Let's move to pink, because I think that's gonna be my next hardest one to do. We're gonna throw it out there good and reel it back in. If you've watched my shorts in the past, you'll know sometimes when you're reeling up, something decides that's a fleeing bait fish, bug, and they decide to annihilate it. But not today. I'll see you in a few minutes with my next color. All right, guys, we are back. I've moved to the other end of the pond. We've got our hot pink woolly booger. But keep calling it woolly bugger, which is not really much different. But we're gonna give her a try here in this corner, which I love to fish. So we're gonna get some line out here. We're gonna ignore that puppy that's barking at us. Ooh. Ah, I thought that was a light. I got one on the pink. I may not even edit that. Ah, gone. All right, gotta catch another one. This may be a deal where I gotta sit down before I catch. Now, guys, if I can fly fish sitting down, you should be able to do it standing up. All right, we're gonna give up on our dreams. You saw I got a bite on pink. But time is burning and I want to catch fish. So, vaya con Dios, pink. All right, guys. So now we have our white woolly bugger on there. And I think I am about to smash some fish, because I don't know if you know it or not, but white and black are my confidence colors, and you done seen what black can do. All right, guys, I got it in a good spot. I'm gonna dead stick it for a little bit and see if anything bites it. Oh, got one now. finally picked one up out of that corner. Oh, that's one of them big gills we wanted. All right, guys. So, what's the saying? 3 out of 4 ain't bad. Look at that. Look at that. Let me get him around where you can see him. Look at that big, nice bluegill. Like, just from the tip of my fingers, that's past my wrist. He's probably a good 6.5, 7-inch bluegill. You would eat if you were at people's table that wanted you. But this is a no-keep pond, and we respect the rules on this channel. So you are a lucky boy. See ya. All right, guys, so this video is done. This video is over with. Now, the kit works. You saw we caught fish. Black was by far our best color because that was a nice bass that we ended up with. But there are some comments to be had. These woolly boogers, these particular ones, do not last well. The black one that bass got a hold of is a little shredded up. It probably wouldn't last more than a few more fish. And the white one, we only caught one fish with it, but I guess hitting it against the willows kind of loosened it. It's beginning to slip down the hook. But if you don't have woolly boogers like me, this is a good kit to buy because it gives you 4 colors, 10 lures of something that you can go and try and see whether this is something you like. Now, for me, myself personally, I might throw a woolly booger every so often now, but I'm gonna stick probably with a popper, and I'm gonna tell you why. 2 big reasons. 1, a popper floats, always. Unless it's just beat to pieces, it floats. These, after about 2-3 casts, unless I just fanned it back and forth over and over again, I never could get them dry enough to float again. Now, number 2, these don't last. And that may just be these right here. That may just be a brand thing, but they don't last. I can catch probably 20, 30 fish on a popper, and that popper is still going to be viable. If not, it'll be beat up. I'm not going to say it'll be perfect, but it'll still be viable even after that many fish. These have seen limited fish. I opened this in front of you, and I've shown you everything that's happened to them. And let me just open it up and show you if I can ever get there. Well, now I can't. Oh, there we are. I was about to say, now I can't tell which one's which. You can see that one's already beginning to unravel itself. And the white one, the part of on the main shank is beginning to slip down onto the crook of the hook. So these, no. But guys, if you want to buy these, you've seen how they work, you see what they do. I will probably fish a woolly booger from time to time, but I'm going to stick with a popper. Whatever you do, that's your choice. But as for this video, it's over with. So I'm going to do all the YouTube things. Like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell notification. It costs you nothing, and it helps me so much. But I'll see you somewhere in the woods or on the water.